Hello, everybody, and welcome to the intensive 5-day-long course about how to break into the Web3. My name is Dima. I'm a general partner at 3x Capital. We are an investment and advisory firm focusing on Web3 startups on the seed stage. So far, during the last 5 years, we've been making 5x on our returns. And I can definitely relate to you folks joining this course because I've switched many careers in the past. And I started as an analyst in 2009, and then I switched to become a lawyer. And in 2016, I started a business accelerator. And the same year, I got into crypto. And in 2021, together with my partners, Ivan and Taras, you will hear from them. We started 3x Capital, and we're succeeding throughout these years.